Hey, what's going on, guys? Calvin Russell here, credit specialist for the 80/20 podcast. Today, we're going to be talking about some major changes that just happened to nav.com. For those of you who are in the small business arena, you guys know nav.com is one of the top resources, if not the best resource, to actually monitor your credit scores and things of that sort as it pertains to your small business. Let's go more into it. All right, guys, let's jump straight into it. What's new with nav.com? Well, first off, of course, as you guys can see, it's going to be their new color scheme. Now, we were used to them having like the bluish kind of situation. Now they're going into like more of a dark kind of purple. I guess that's more business savvy, if you will. But either way, as we know, nav.com has been providing business credit reports and scores for years, okay? And of course, a lot of people look at them not just as a credit monitoring website, but of course, a lot of people looked at them for information and education as it pertains to business credit in general, okay? But they're taking it a step forward. They want you to trust them with everything that has to do with your small business, especially when you are focused on building business credit, okay? So now you're going to see a lot more tools and a lot more things that's going to be easier to use as you go through nav.com. For starters, they now have the nav.com app, okay? And then let's go deeper into that. As you guys can see, right over here on the screen, you actually can see that there is that it looks more of like a QuickBooks type of situation, so where you can actually keep up with your balances and things of that sort. So the more accounts that you are able to connect it to that have to do with your small business, the better accuracy is going to be for you. But they're not just trying to help you understand your revenue, your cash flow, your expenses and things of that sort. They're trying to make sure that you know that you qualify for certain things. But let's go deeper into it, because their credit scores are now, not just their credit scores, their credit reports are going to be a lot more detailed than what it normally is. Let's go straight into it. So now NAV's detailed credit reports have both new and later stage small business owners. These reports facilitate clarity into the areas in which a small business owner can improve their financing profile, create trade line opportunities that can build business credit, and provide greater confidence into what others see pertaining into the small business, okay? With this additional data, you'll be able to have access to the information that lenders, creditors, and other business partners may see, and clearly articulate how you should leverage this information for decision making and your next steps. Additionally, they're met with actionable insights and personalized financing options that show qualification criteria before having to apply. Okay, so essentially, you will now be able to understand your credit reports a lot better and try to figure out why you were denied for something, or when you should apply for something, and what your chances of getting approved for that as well too. Okay, that means no longer throwing jello on the wall to see what sticks. No more trying to guess what your small business may or may not qualify for. As long as you have the credit report that's now more detailed through nav.com, guys, it's going to give you better approval odds. Now, there's no guarantee that you will get approved, because obviously nav is just only going by what they can see. At the end of the day, you still got to verify what needs to be verified. But anyway, nav can help small business owners improve their financial health and always access the best financial options for their business. Let's go into what that looks like and what options you have. All right, guys, now you can know what the next moves are going to be for your business by using the tools that are only available at nav.com. Let's go into it. So they have a couple different options for you, okay? You have the business boost, and then you have the business loan builder, okay? Now, you could either do this for monthly, or you could do this on a quarterly basis as well. If you go with the quarterly, you can save 20%, but that 20% discount only applies to the first quarter, okay? So now, if you want to leave it at monthly, you most definitely can. And the business boost is going to be $50 a month, or essentially $49.99. And then the business loan builder is going to be $59.99. So I'm going to zoom in on this so you guys can see exactly everything that comes with this. Number one, you're going to get full business and personal credit reports, actionable cash flow insights and alerts, one-on-ones with credit and lending specialists if you want to have a conversation with someone that's a lending specialist and to figure out exactly what's going to be best for you and your business, okay? Identity restoration services, $1 million in identity theft protection, lost wallet replacement, follow up to 5 businesses, credit reports, simple quarterly billing options, trade line reporting for business credit support. Now, this is what's pretty dope. Now, for those who don't know, nav.com recently came out with this particular option that can help you build your business credit, but I don't think that they've been promoting it like, to a mass scale, because again, I think honestly, people are not maximizing the true benefits of what nav.com has to offer. Okay. Because again, you can not only learn about business credit, but now with this particular trade line option, this is going to be huge. And it's nothing that is, crazy, because there's a lot of just craziness stuff out there, but this is directly from nav.com. So this is huge. Okay. With regular on-time payments, trade line reporting may help establish your business credit rating. Now, they can't guarantee that this is going to improve your situation. Now, well, for one, it's a positive trade line. Okay. So, but what I'm saying is that outside of just having this trade line, if you have something negative that's going on, obviously it's going to impact your overall score in general. But having this trade line will create a positive effect on your business credit report. Okay. Now, it's not going to happen overnight. It's not going to happen rapidly. It's going to take some time like anything else. Okay. But again, it's an easy trade line to have for your small business. Okay. And now, of course, that's all you get with that particular plan. Now, with this one, for $10 more, you get everything with that. But now you're going to be able to get the FICO Small Business Scoring Service. Okay. So, of course, if you're looking to get more information on the Business Boost or the Business Loan Builder, you most definitely could just go in the link that's in the description below. Now, of course, I've partnered with nav.com because I've been talking about Nav for years. And I'm like, you know what? Let me go ahead and make sure people get the right information. So that's why I want to make sure you guys get this. But here's the thing, guys. This is not all. Not only do they have these particular tools to help you build your business credit, they got some other stuff that's well on the way, and I'll keep you guys posted as soon as that information is available, guys. So, of course, if you like this video, like it. If you want to share it, share it. And as always, be sure to subscribe, as we got nothing but great content well on the way. Thank you guys so much. We'll see you guys on the next video.